Well, it's a big deal, Danish, because to be frank, I'm a little frustrated with us as an industry and with business in the fact that we do keep failing in these projects. It doesn't need to happen that way. It really doesn't. I've been part of a lot of really successful projects, and unfortunately, I've been part of ones that weren't so successful. And so I really want businesses to understand that this can happen the right way, and we can have the right results at a really high percentage level. We just need to have the right people involved. We need somebody that's responsible and owns that project through to the stakeholders, and to drive it through. But everybody's got their horror stories about IT projects in particular, but business projects that have just failed. And we don't need to do it any that way anymore. We've got the people, we've got the frameworks. All we have to do is execute. And so I want to help people do that.